Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. This week's Parsha is Parshas Vayigash. It begins on the book of Genesis, chapter 44, verse 18, where it says, Vayigash love Yehuda Vayomer Biadoni Yidavrna Avdecha Davar Boznei Adoni Vayicharbcha Avdecha Gicha Mocha Kifaro. And then Judah came near unto him, meaning unto Joseph, and said, O my Lord, let thy servant, I pray thee, speak a word in my Lord's ears, and let not thine anger burn against thy servant, for thou art even as Pharaoh. Rashi says, Yikonsu devar boznecha, that my word should enter into your ears. Says my holy ancestor, the Maharal. No, it doesn't mean that you want to whisper into his ears. It's not respectful to go and whisper into the king's ears. It means in his presence, because we see scripture says in your ears, which is plural, meaning that you don't whisper into two ears at the same time, and so therefore that's why ears means plural, not whispering into the ears, but rather speaking in his presence. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.